My name is Paolo Pesenti. I'm a Senior Vice President and Monetary Policy Advisor in the Research and Statistics Group. Monetary policy decision-making is structured in three parts. The first part deals with the basic elements of monetary policy decision-making. We look at the size and composition of the Federal Reserve System, the Board of Governors in Washington, the 12 regional banks, the Federal Open Market Committee, which is the core of the decision-making process. Then we look at the goals and objectives of the Federal Reserve. The second part, the core of the presentation, is devoted to analyzing how the Fed chooses its actions to achieve the objectives we described before. The last part of the presentation deals with current issues and concerns in the current policy debate. I would take a statement that Janet Yellen has used in her testimony to the Congress, which I think is a very good way to encapsulate all the issues that we describe in the presentation.
In sum, since the July 2014 Monetary Policy Report, there has been important progress toward the FOMC's objective of maximum employment. However, despite this improvement, too many Americans remain unemployed or underemployed, wage growth is still sluggish, and inflation remains well below our longer-run objective. As always, the Federal Reserve remains committed to employing its tools to best promote the attainment of its objectives of maximum employment and price stability.
I think the best way, the easiest way to learn how to become a Fed watcher, and certainly something that we deal with in the presentation, is to learn how to read the documents that the Federal Open Market Committee publishes at the end of its meetings. So understanding how to parse the language of a statement, the paragraphs dealing with the description of current economic conditions, the paragraph describing the evolution, the expected evolution of economic conditions, and then the paragraph describing policy actions and the rationale underlying what the FOMC has decided.